Top 5 Best Home Deep Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁. Crispy perfection in under 3 minutes. That's the Presto 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer, delivering golden results without the oil splatter or kitchen chaos. Ideal for busy home cooks craving restaurant-quality fries, donuts, or chicken tenders, this compact powerhouse uses just a fraction of the oil of traditional fryers, locking in flavor while cutting grease. Unlike bulky countertop models, the FryDaddy's sleek green and gold design heats fast, maintains consistent temps, and cleans up in seconds with its non-stick interior and removable parts. No thermostat fiddling, no guesswork, just drop, fry, enjoy. It's engineered for simplicity, speed, and that unbeatable crunch. While it's not built for large batches or commercial use, for everyday frying adventures, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to soggy, uneven results and hello to crispy satisfaction, every single time. The FryDaddy doesn't just cook food, it elevates your kitchen confidence, one golden bite at a time. Number 4. Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer Black. Crispy, golden fries without the oil splatter or kitchen chaos? Meet the Presto 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 FryDaddy, your compact powerhouse for restaurant-quality frying at home. Perfect for busy families, college students, or anyone craving convenience without compromise, this sleek black fryer heats up fast and holds just the right amount of oil for consistent, even cooking. Unlike bulky deep fryers that dominate counter space, the FryDaddy's smart design delivers big results in a small footprint. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup effortless, and the built-in thermostat ensures perfect temps every time, no guesswork, no burnt batches. Whether you're whipping up mozzarella sticks or crispy chicken tenders, it turns ordinary meals into crave-worthy experiences. Just remember, it's ideal for small batches, so plan accordingly for larger gatherings. With the FryDaddy, delicious doesn't require drama, just plug in, pour, and enjoy that satisfying crunch you've been missing. Number 3. T-fal Compact Easy Clean 1.8L Stainless Steel Deep Fryer. Crispy perfection without the kitchen chaos? Meet the T-fal Compact Easy Clean Deep Fryer, your secret weapon for golden, restaurant-quality fries, wings, and more. Ideal for busy home cooks craving convenience without compromise, this sleek stainless steel fryer packs serious power. 1200 watts heats oil fast, while the intuitive temp control ensures consistent results every time. Unlike bulky models, its 1.8-liter capacity strikes the perfect balance, enough for family-sized batches, yet compact enough for small countertops. The built-in oil filtration system? Game changer, it keeps oil cleaner longer, saving money and reducing waste. Cleanup? Effortless, thanks to fully removable, dishwasher-safe parts. Sure, it's not built for commercial volumes, and delicate batters may need extra care, but for everyday frying magic at home, it delivers. Say goodbye to soggy results and greasy messes. This fryer turns weeknight dinners into crispy celebrations. Number 2. All-Clad 1700W Stainless Steel Electric Deep Fryer. Crispy golden perfection, without the smoke alarm panic. That's what the All-Clad Electric Deep Fryer delivers, every single time. Ideal for home chefs who crave restaurant-quality results without the hassle, this 1700W stainless steel powerhouse heats fast, maintains precise temps, and cooks evenly, unlike flimsy countertop models that burn or undercook. The removable, dishwasher-safe basket and lid make cleanup a breeze, while the sleek design fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Whether you're frying up chicken tenders, tempura veggies, or donuts, you'll get that satisfying crunch with minimal oil absorption. It's engineered for consistency, durability, and ease, hallmarks of All-Clad's trusted craftsmanship. Just note, its generous capacity means it needs a bit of counter space, and it's best suited for occasional deep frying, not daily use. But when that craving hits, you'll be glad you invested in quality that delivers flavor, texture, and confidence, one perfectly fried bite at a time. Number 1. T-fal 3.5L Digital Deep Fryer with Oil Filtration. Crispy perfection, every single time, without the smoke alarm panic. That's the T-fal 3.5L Stainless Steel Deep Fryer in action. Ideal for home cooks craving restaurant-quality fries, wings, or tempura, this 1700W powerhouse delivers golden results with precision. Unlike clunky, hard-to-clean models, it features a built-in oil filtration system that extends oil life and reduces mess. Game changer. The digital timer and adjustable temp control, up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminate guesswork, while the sleek stainless steel design fits seamlessly in any kitchen. No more soggy calamari or uneven browning, just consistent, crispy excellence. Cleanup? Surprisingly simple, thanks to removable, dishwasher-safe parts. Sure, it's not for daily deep-frying marathons. This is a specialty tool for special occasions. But when you want that perfect crunch with minimal hassle, the T-fal delivers. Elevate your fry game without the commercial footprint. Your taste buds, and your dinner guests, will thank you. Thanks for watching Best Home Deep Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.